Hi, my name is Thomas, and today I'll tell you everything you need to know about Sciatilief before you actually buy it. The pros, the cons, and whether it's really worth your money or not. I also have two really important alerts, so pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Sciatilief is be careful with the website you're going to buy from, because Sciatilief is only sold on the official website. Because of the high demand, many people are getting fake versions of Sciatilief without even realizing it. That can seriously harm your health, waste your money, and keep you from getting the results you're looking for. So always double check that you're buying from the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website down below in the description of this video. So what is Sciatilief, and does it actually work? The answer is yes. Sciatilief has helped thousands of users, and it will work for you too. And after many laboratory tests, researchers identified that there is a natural formula with powerful ingredients like alpha-lipoic acid, curcumin, vitamin B6, magnesium glycinate, L-carnitine, and much more. These components work together to target the root cause of sciatic nerve pain, helping to relieve intense burning, tingling, numbness, and those sharp stabbing sensations that often strike your lower back, legs, or hips out of nowhere. Whether it's pain caused by sciatica, nerve compression, or general nerve inflammation, Sciatilief helps reduce swelling, repair damaged nerves, and restore your comfort and mobility. If you've been struggling to walk, sleep, or even stand for long periods because of this pain, Sciatilief was designed exactly for that. No more relying on prescription meds with side effects. This is a natural alternative that goes deep where the pain starts. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people having great results with Sciatilief, and you can have results as well. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. That's a little bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There's something really important about this product that you need to know before buying it. You can actually test Sciatilief for 180 days, and if you don't see results, if you don't like it for any reason, they will give you your money back. Also, for Sciatilief to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every single day, or else you won't see great results and you'll actually get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the second month, but most people have better results after 3 months using this product. Also important for you to know, Sciatilief has no side effects since it is natural. So I wanted to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the website you're buying Sciatilief from, and remember, I've placed the link to the official website in the description of this video or in the first pinned comment. And also, if you do buy the product, follow the treatment exactly and take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your organism acts in a very unique way. I also hope that Sciatilief actually helps you a lot to improve your life, just as it has already improved the lives of thousands of people around the world.